Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. Hope you are doing great. In this video, we are going to see how we can transfer the salary to the employee's deposit account. So just have a look. So I will search one employee from the search bar and just click to the deposit. So here we need to create the saving deposit for this employee. So I will just create this on the first phase. Just save this. Now we have created this. We need to add a ledger, add to favorite, the saving account transfer. So just click to add. Now we can go to the HR management and salary pay. So here we can select the employee name and we can select the month, which month we want to give the salary. So February month I want to give, just refresh. Here I have mentioned the details of the employee. You can see 8,000 is the basic allowance and total salary will come 1,850. Okay. So it's a net deducting some LOP. So let's go to the attendance record and just I will select the February month and select the employee name. Just click to refresh. So here we need to rebuild the attendance of this employee. So let's rebuild and we can enter the total work days 30 and salary days also, let's say 28. So there is a 2 holidays and total work days is 28. Just freeze this attendance. So we have freeze this attendance. Now let's go to the 1 minute. So it's in progress. So let's go to the salary pay and select the February month and employee name Abhishek. Let's check the earnings total 9,000. Okay. So if I click to allowance actually, so you can see there is a night shift and other charges also there. So total earnings is 9,000. So this salary, how we can transfer to the employee's saving account. So here I need to select the saving account transfer and you can select, you can enter the transaction mode and the reference number any. So here we can recalculate this salary and save. Just when you click to save, you can enter the date, which date you want to do this transaction. Just click to save. So this salary is saved. Now let's go to the Abhishek's Abhishek employee deposit account. So if I click to the passbook, here is the saving account. So here you can see now 9,000 is received by Abhishek, and if I go to the transaction, salary and wages transfer to 9,000 to the employee. Here HR management, salary statement also we can give to the staff. You can select this and the month and just refresh. So here you can see the salary statement of Abhishek.